Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to fix the warning message you encounter. The security warning or the error message stating, "This application is unsafe," as you see here. In CapCut on your PC, let's explore together. First, you must ensure that the installation is official and from a trusted source, as you see. And CapCut is indeed the official version. This error often occurs when the program has been installed from an unofficial source, as you can see. Due to an unofficial source, or if the application is corrupted, as shown, I recommend that you completely uninstall your CapCut application, as you can see here. Was installed and then reinstall it only from the official site, as you can see here for best results. From the official website or from Microsoft directly, as shown. If it still doesn't work, carefully try performing a clean pre-installation process. After uninstalling CapCut, also remove any remaining files, please. Let's explore the folders now. Next, restart your computer or laptop and then proceed to install the application carefully from the official source. Let's reinstall the program now. This helps when dealing with corrupted application files, as you can see. If it doesn't work, try updating your CapCut to the latest version. If that still doesn't work, then let's try updating to the latest version of the application carefully. Now, let's carefully disable your VPN or proxy connection here. CapCut may interpret unusual network connections as potential threats here. As you can see here, suspicious. Now, let's carefully disable your VPN and proxy to switch to a secure connection. Now let's switch to another network. Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck and goodbye for now.